In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your time zone in Coursera. Whether you're attending online classes or just exploring new courses, having the correct time zone set can help you manage your deadlines and activities more effectively. Let's dive into the simple process of updating your time zone on your Coursera account. First things first, we'll need to log in to your Coursera account. Head over to the Coursera website and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, you should see your profile icon, which is conveniently located in the top navigation bar of the page. Give this icon a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose either Settings or Account Settings. This is your go-to place for personalizing your account preferences. Within the Settings menu, keep an eye out for the Time Zone section under the Account category. This is where we'll make the necessary adjustments. You'll notice a drop-down menu designated for your time zone. Coursera's approach is pretty user-friendly. They use city names instead of generic time zone labels like EST or PST. This makes it a breeze to select the most accurate time zone for your location. After you click on the drop-down, you'll see a list of cities organized by continent. This can be a long list, so feel free to scroll through the options at your leisure. Alternatively, if you want to save time, you can begin typing the name of your city directly into the search bar. For instance, if you live in the time zone of Manila, just start typing Manila, and it should appear in the search results for quick selection. Once you've found and selected your city, the last but crucial step is to ensure that the changes take effect. Look for the Save button, which is typically located at the bottom of the screen. Click it to apply your changes. Remember, this is key to finalizing the update. After saving, your account should now reflect the correct time zone, and you'll be able to enjoy a more organized learning experience on Coursera. And there you have it, a straightforward method for updating your time zone setting on Coursera. It's a small adjustment, but one that can make a significant difference in how you interact with your courses. We hope this step-by-step guide makes the process clear and easy for you to follow. Thank you for joining us today, and as always, happy learning.